Morning. I just spotted these two fighting. Pigeons. What's the matter, huh? Oh dear. Is this how you begin your day? Come on, be friends. They're eyeing each other up when they have a little break. Okay, a third one has come. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, are you calming down? I would like to cross, but I'm curious on what are you guys up to. Okay, the visitor has gone. It's down to the two of you. Okay. As I will need to cross, I will need to... Oh, we're continuing. Well, obviously they're not too angry at each other, but annoyed. Well, even pigeons, huh? Oh, look at that. Here we go again. Well, either fight or put out your wings and shake feathers. In the meantime, lovely little duckies. Well, they're not little, they're the normal size. But they're little compared to the geese. They're just having a quiet time under the willow. You're at peace with each other, aren't you? Yeah. So many pretty leaves in the water. Oh, and I didn't notice, but one of the pigeons has flown away. So, it's just you now. Are you happy? I'm probably gonna make you fly away too as I walk towards you. But I'm a friend, and I don't want to fight. Oh, you're very large. Bye! And the sun is here on this side. Look at the pretty oak leaves. And who do we have here? Some Canadas, more ducks, coots, and hello greylag, you're just peeking at me. This beautiful oak tree still has a lot of green leaves left, but it's changing like every other tree around us. How are you? You look quite chilled. And you're not coming to me, so it means somebody has already fed you. Ah! Involuntary zoom out. Oh, there we go. We can see a large chunk of the pond. There's a few little gulls around still. They are the noisiest. Those ones. Ah, you're chasing each other. Okay. Good to see you all. I assume there's more of you on the green. They do migrate between ponds and places. because if you remember in videos from months ago, there was well over 100 of them, and we are nowhere near that number in the last few weeks. Oh, what little bird was that there? Did you see that running on the top of the water? I can't see it, it's too far. Let's include some of the green-legged beauties. These little moorhen are just so cute. I think I prefer them over the coots. There you are. Hello, Canada. You're coming out. Good morning. Is that your way of saying hello? Have a little scratch. And you're checking me out. Oh, lovely stretch. There you are. More ducks on this pond. A few more coming. There you are. And there's a few more behind the shrubbery. And you? Are you transferring from the big pond to the little one? Okay. I really like the way they walk. Okay. And of course, a little squirrel is joining us. And you're a little one indeed. You must be a newling. Well, almost fully grown. Are you digging for something? I'm sure you'll find lots of yummy things. I actually have peanuts and walnuts in my pocket if you wanna come. Hold on, let me try and find some. Well, I threw a peanut in its shell to the squirrel, and more hens and 3 beautiful Egyptian geese just ran up. Sorry darlings, it's not for you. Or you moorhens. The little squirrel got scared and ran away, and the peanut is there. Well, you'll find it later. And then they all started coming. Hello, beautiful. I just dropped one. Oh wow. Going on about your daily business, huh? In a previous video I showed you a young cypress on the other side of the pond, and I did say that there's a few others, and this is one of them. Tall, majestic one. It's changing color and it's looking absolutely beautiful. Look at those beautiful colorings. I just had a look. There's actually no geese on the green at this time. They're all on the pond or the island. And I lost the light. Okay, I think I'll leave it to this. I need to get going. Good to see you as always. Stay safe. Oh, hello darling, are you coming to me? I'm really sorry, but I don't have anything that's suitable for you. I'm only equipped for squirrels today. Next time, okay? Alright, go find something to eat. Bye, beautiful. And bye, all of you. And bye, viewers.